Scandella calling for it. Stahl off the stick of Allen. What a stop again! Make it twice! Dumba, the rebound! Oh my goodness! St. Louis survives. They get it out.
Johnny, I don't know how this puck does not go in the net. Jake Allen continues with his heroics. Take a look at this. They get the puck from behind the goal line, throw it out in front. Allen kicks it aside. Dumba, the second chance opportunity off the outside of the net, tries to bank it off the skate. And then Zach Parise is the guy who actually keeps the puck out of the net. This is unbelievable. Completely out of it right there. He gets a skate on it, then it goes off the outside of the net, and then Parise right here trying to knock it in actually kept the puck out. And a great job by Bobmeister as well to try and stop Niederreiter right there. But